Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android using ADB backup commands, detailed guide step by step clearly. Ensure you have ADB installed on your computer. You can download the Android SDK platform tools from the official website. Once downloaded, extract the files to a known location. Open a command prompt or terminal window on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the ADB files. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable. Make sure USB debugging is enabled on your Android device. To enable USB debugging, go to Settings, then About Phone. Tap on build number 7 times to unlock developer options. Return to Settings, then select Developer Options. Locate and enable USB debugging from the list. In the command prompt, type ADB devices and press Enter. This command verifies that your device is recognized. If prompted, allow USB debugging on your device's screen. Next, type ADB backup APK shared all fbackup.ab and press Enter. This command initiates the backup process of your apps and data. You can modify the command to include or exclude specific components. For example, use nope to skip apps or nosy stem to skip system data. You can also change the file name after ref if desired. Follow the prompt on your Android device to confirm the backup. The backup process may take some time depending on the amount of data. Once completed, you'll see a success message in the command prompt. To restore your backup later, use the command ADB restore backup.ab. Make sure to keep the backup file in a safe location. This will ensure you can restore your data when needed. Now you have successfully backed up your Android device using ADB commands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.